If your first reaction when you see chicken is to say, where are the spices? Then you can't fucking cook chicken. Properly cooked chicken is juicy as fuck and tasty as fuck. All you need is a little bit of salt, not table salt that makes you good. You're gonna grab your chicken from the butcher. You will salt them with real man salt and leave them outside for an hour. This is very important for the internal temperature to go up. Straight out of the fridge, the internal temperature will be 4 degrees Celsius. If you leave it outside for an hour, it might go up to 15 degrees Celsius. Which will help you cook it much faster because the goal is to take it to 64 degrees Celsius. And the first degrees are the hardest to go up. You will put some raw butter in your pan, and once it is bubbly, you will insert your chicken. On the skin side, by the way, it will be much better result with the skin. Leave a little bit of space between the fillets so that some fat can get in the middle and help you cook everywhere. By the way, this whole operation happens on medium heat. After 2 to 3 minutes, you will be able to flip them around and appreciate the nice little browning we got from just butter. But the browning is not important here. You just need to learn how to cook your chicken. So from this angle, you will notice that about 30% of the thickness of the chicken was cooked in 2 to 3 minutes. So we will do the same process on the other side. And to make sure you don't overcook the tip of the chicken, remember where the stove is. You can move your chickens to the side so that the tip is not heating up. This way only the middle of the pan will be very hot, which will be convenient only to cook the thick part of the chicken. You can then leave them like this for 2 to 3 minutes, and you will then slowly notice the color of the middle changing little by little. Now this is actually cooked. Because you fucking pussy American soy boys are afraid, I'm gonna leave it to rest a little bit more. You will turn off the heat and leave the pan on the stove. You can also put a lid on them so that they stay in a hot environment. Chicken is cooked at 64 degrees. There is some French chefs who like to serve chicken at 62 degrees internal, which leaves it slightly pink in the middle. Don't worry, I'm not going to show you this. Now see, the thicker fillet is still a little bit undercooked, so I will leave it to rest while I slice into the other one. And check this out, guys, your chicken should be fucking juicy every time you slice into it. Check out this humidity. Chicken like this is very moist and very easy to eat by itself. You will not even need to help it slide down with some fucking Coca-Cola. At 64 degrees, it is juicy and perfect. From 67 degrees and upwards, it will become drier and drier. And even if you want to put some fucking spices on your chicken, you actually don't have to fucking overcook it in curry sauce. You should have juices in your plate. This is a whole new life experience that you must try.